Hi there. Today, let's look at real-time data, like how to push real-time data to Columns AI and how to use Columns AI's visualizer to analyze real-time data with no latency or with a little latency. Um, if you come to Columns AI, click the menu button, there is actually a demo link, which is telling real-time data demo. We click this demo, it actually brings you to this public data set. Everybody can actually analyze that. So this data set is actually pushed by a cloud function. We made that. We made the cloud function running in the cloud. Every 5 minutes, I remember, we pull the data from OpenSea API and get all the traded transaction data and send them into Columns AI. And now everybody can analyze the view or the real-time data on this simple UI. I mean, if the UI is not good enough for you, you actually can write the JavaScript code to how to transform the data and push the JavaScript function to the server side to the transform your data to have whatever you want to analyze. In another video where we covered how to write code to develop data app on Columns.ai. So we're not going to talk about that today here. So as you can see, you can very easily to just select timeline key here. So and put your metrics over there and just draw multiple lines. Here, a single metric basically will map into one line here. Tells you total payment happened in the last 2 days, basically 48 hours. I believe that's the maximum retention data we set on the backend storage, which is basically we are using Kafka for this case. And you can basically slice to any other time window for that. For example, I want to see last 2 hours, let's say, right? And you can, this is basically just a few minutes. Let's just change it a little bit longer, like time. Let's see, from 11 o'clock. Oh, this is over 23 now. Let's do not 23, but 22. Oh, 9 o'clock. So you can see this is about 4 hours. Yeah, about 4 hours data. It's showing your time mark here and showing how successful transactions made in OpenSea in terms of transaction amount in USD dollar. Definitely you can export in any other metrics you want. For example, I want to see count of quantity or maybe sum of quantity, basically number of total tokens made in the transactions for the last 4 hours, sorry. And you can see it actually keep going up a little bit. And if timeline is not something you're interested in, you want to dive into something else. For example, I want to see which collection was made the most in the last 4 hours. You can say collection slug, which is representing the brand, the company name, basically. I want to use in more meaningful view for that. And I want to sort it by the metrics, number of tokens. You can see worldwide we blend, I guess this name, web blend. Yeah. So you can very easily to find out what is the top blend was traded in the last 4 hours or last 24 hours, let's say. You can see it's showing different ranking results for you. All right, next step, let's look at, I mean, here you have a lot of different ways. You can set a filter, dive into different things. But let's look at how to push the data to Columns AI and so that you can just visualize it in real time. It's actually super simple. Let's switch to another tab. This is a job we run in cloud function in Google Cloud, basically. It what it does is basically just like every few minutes, just like pull the data through OpenSea API and just process it, and make them as JSON object, and dump into the message. And the payload is basically a list of message, and you push to a specific topic you created on the Columbus AI and specify the API key, and just like send it to this endpoint, Columbus AI /API/event/send. This is the whole, the function we send to the API layer. And if you're a new user, apply for a API key is pretty simple. Just like go to the dashboard, and there's the API section. Click API, and you can just create from here. Right now is invite only, so we need to work with you to create a unique topic name and a unique API key for you. I hope this helps you to understand what Columbus AI can help you to build real-time applications and store real-time data for you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.